So this is interesting. Samsung's going to be focusing on a wide-angle phone. So kind of like the Google Pixel Fold 1, where it had a very wide outside display. Inside, because of that, ended up being more like a clamshell phone rather than like a Z Fold series, which is a little bit more long and narrow. It's gotten less long and narrow. It's got more like candy bar cell phone size. But for the most part, it's the same concept, right? Most foldable cell phones aren't like the one you see on your screen right here, which is Pixel Fold 1 type cell phone. For the most part, the reason why is because a lot of stuff is now developed software-wise for the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold / the Z Fold 7 / the, Oppo series, right? That form factor is now kind of just out there, and a lot of apps are dedicated and developed for it. So the Pixel Fold 1 series, while it was a great phone, there just isn't as many apps because there isn't really that many phones that are shaped like that, right? And when you have these weird foldable cell phones, it's harder to get developers to jump on board to go ahead and develop software for something that reality-wise, only a handful of people will probably buy it. Where now with Samsung going in that direction, again, very similar to, I always say the Surface Duo, but it is very similar to the Surface Duo, how it looks. And of course, very, very similar to the Pixel Fold 1. It's going to be interesting to see what this does moving forward. Because Samsung has the money. They're going to get developers to buy in. They're going to get, people to want to make apps for this cell phone. And especially this form factor, which again, something that Google Pixel Fold 1 really had an issue with was getting developers to truly adapt the brand new form factor. Let's see how Samsung does. Across the board, hey, I'm excited because it's something new and it's something interesting. And it's something where the rest of the industry is really just continuously doing the same. Copy the Z Fold series, right? Kind of go with that same direction over and over again. This is something new. And sometimes something new can also be something awesome. So, I hope we find out more information about this, but I think only time will tell at the end of the day. This could also be a limited release only in South Korea, which they have done, countless times before with other cell phones at this point. So, could be something like that. Could be something where we just don't really see this ends up being, anything specially crazy for the United States or for most European countries. If that's the case, at least the technology is being put forward and maybe something can come out of it. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.